quick instructional video for assembling your plate. We'll get 2 brackets screwed onto these holes, a bracket here and a bracket here, and they mount underneath the RO membranes. This side is the carbon filter, attaches here. This side is the DI output. The output of the carbon filter will be routed over to the pump that pumps the RO membrane. So this left pump is the RO delivery pump. So it goes through the pump, comes out, goes in the side ports of the RO membrane. RO membranes are held down by straps with screws that go through the little captive nut to hold them down on each side. RO membranes inside, and the center port is the permeate out. That's going to go off to the tank through this hose into the top of the tank, and the tank will have a float valve that gets installed here to keep the tank from overflowing with water. The outside on the permeate out, this is the good water out. The RO outside here connects together, goes through the RO flush valve, production versus flushing, and comes out on this connector here. Along the way, you install the gauge in line, so when the RO is put into production mode, that increases the pressure, and you can tell how much pressure is on the RO membrane.
Pro Tool, J.Racenstein.